What if in the next 40 minutes you could unlock the exact mindset shifts that separate the ultra-rich from the rest, plus discover a secret Indian money ritual that top 1% investors swear by? In this video, we'll distill Robert Kiyosaki's life-changing Rich Dad Poor Dad lessons and fuse them with proven Indian success formulas into a bulletproof, step-by-step blueprint you can start applying today. Stick around until the very end, and I'll reveal the one morning habit that could multiply your wealth faster than you ever imagined. Ready to transform your financial future? Let's dive in. 1. Welcome to our ultimate guide on building wealth step by step, combining Rich Dad Poor Dad lessons with powerful Indian success formulas. 2. As Robert Kiyosaki said, the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Today, we'll show you exactly how. 3. Stay tuned as we explore Rich Dad Poor Dad's secrets and practical Indian money tips to transform your financial future. 4. Watch until the end for a bonus Indian money habit that millionaires swear by. 5. Section 1. Mindset Shift, Poor Dad versus Rich Dad. 6. Poor Dad's advice: study hard, get a job, and play it safe. 7. Rich Dad's advice: learn about money, invest wisely, and build assets. 8. In India, common middle-class advice is to secure a government job and park your savings in fixed deposits. 9. Consider Ritesh Agrawal, who turned a small startup into the Oyo hospitality empire. 10. Or Nikhil Kamath, who revolutionized stock trading in India with Zerodha. 11. Mindset matters. Now, let's move to Step 1, Financial Literacy. 12. Step 1, Learn Financial Literacy. 13. Understand the difference between assets, which put money in your pocket, and liabilities, which take money out. 14. For example, buying a home can be an asset, while a luxury car can become a liability. 15. Gold sitting in your locker is a liability, but a systematic investment plan in mutual funds is an asset. 16. Use apps like ET Money to track your finances. 17. Learn stock market basics with Zerodha Varsity. 18. Grow your knowledge with Grove, an easy-to-use investing platform. 19. Read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Intelligent Investor, and The Richest Man in Babylon. 20. Financial knowledge is your foundation. Next up, building and tracking income streams. 21. Step 2. Build and track multiple income streams. 22. Active income includes your salary or business profits. 23. Passive income is money working for you, like rental income or dividends. 24. Start freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 25. Create a YouTube channel to share expertise and earn ad revenue. 26. Try affiliate marketing to earn commissions recommending products. 27. Offer tuition or coaching services locally or online. 28. Resell products on Amazon or Flipkart for profit. 29. For instance, Ramesh turned 10,000 rupees into a thriving online store. 30. Always track every rupee earned and reinvest your profits. 31. Now, on to Step 3, Smart Saving and Budgeting. 32. Step 3, Smart Saving and Budgeting. 33. Apply the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. 34. Needs include rent, groceries, and utilities. 35. Wants cover dining out and streaming subscriptions. 36. Automatic savings. Set up recurring deposits and SIPs. 37. Avoid lifestyle inflation when your income increases. 38. Traditional options include LIC policies and fixed deposits. 39. Modern options include mutual funds and ETFs for better returns. 40. Build an emergency fund with 6 months living expenses in a liquid fund. 41. Use budgeting apps like Walnut or Money Control to stay on track. 42. Review and adjust your budget every month. 43. Track your spending daily to identify saving opportunities. 44. Ready for step 4. Let's start investing early. 45. Step 4. Start investing early to harness the power of compounding. 46. Investing 5,000 rupees per month at 12% annual return for 20 years can grow into lakhs. 47. Blue chip stocks like Reliance or TCS offer stability and growth potential. 48. Index funds such as the Nifty 50 provide diversified exposure. 49. Use mutual fund SIPs to average out market volatility. 50. Explore low-cost ETFs available in India. 51. Open a Demat account on platforms like Zerodha or Upstocks to get started. 52. Invest early, invest often. 53. Now, Step 5. Build assets. 54. Step 5. Build assets, not liabilities. 55. Assets include real estate, businesses, and intellectual property. 56. Liabilities include high-interest debt, brand-new cars, and unnecessary MS. 57. Consider rental properties for a steady stream of passive income. 58. Turn your passion into profit by starting a small business. 59. Create intellectual property by writing a book or developing an app. 60. Invest in your skills and education to boost your earning potential. 61. Avoid debt traps like high-interest credit card debt. 62. Now, Step 6. Protect and grow your wealth. 63. Step 6. Protect and grow your wealth. 64. Maintain an emergency fund covering 6 months of living expenses. 65. Secure your future with health insurance and term life cover. 66. Optimize taxes by utilizing deductions under sections 80C and 80D. 67. Draft a will to ensure your assets go to your loved ones. 68. Consult a certified financial planner for personalized advice. 69. Let's wrap up with a bonus tip. 70. Conclusion. Let's recap the 6 essential steps to building wealth. 71. Financial literacy, multiple income streams, smart saving and budgeting, early investing, building assets, and protecting your wealth. 72. Bonus Indian Millionaire Morning Ritual. Wake at 5 a.m., meditate, read financial news, and journal. 73. Which step will you apply first? Let us know in the comments below. 74. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share with friends, and subscribe for more actionable wealth building tips.